Good morning everyone and welcome back to another vlog. This morning it's quite an exciting morning because I'm heading to Dubai airport to pick up my very best and special friend Dee. So she's arriving at 6:50, which is now, but it will take some time for her to clear customs and get her bag, and then she'll be reunited with me. It's been a long time since I have seen her, so I'm incredibly excited. Nice to see you. I saw you running and I was like, oh my god, it's me! Oh my god, I haven't seen you in so long. Welcome to Dubai, Dee! We're opening up gifts. My mum sent me an Easter gift from Easter over, and Dee's just opening up her little welcome gift. What is it?
Oh my god, these are so cute! Oh my god, this is the cutest thing ever!
So everyone, I have just changed into something a little bit more comfortable. Dee's just having a shower to freshen up, and then we're going to make some breakfast and slowly get ready to go to the mall. So today we're going to visit the Mall of Emirates and the Dubai Mall, and that will probably be it for the day. I'm guessing Dee is quite tired and jet lagged, so I thought the first part of this vlog could be Dubai, and then obviously the other parts will be the other Emirates that we're going to explore, which I think will be Abu Dhabi and Ras Al Khaimah. So hold on tight, get ready, and welcome to part 1.
I don't know who you are, I don't know what you've been through, why you got scars. Since you walked through the door, I've been trying to reach you, cause I feel you. What's the story to tell? What's the story behind the mountain you're trying to climb?
So this is the first stop on our agenda, and it's the Mall of Emirates, and we're here at the ski slope. Yes, that is right, there is a ski slope in a mall.
What I see is not, you don't deny. I wanna see the rest of you tonight.
We are currently listening to the prayer call inside of the mall, but look at the roof on this thing. How amazing. It's beautiful. So we finished our time in the Mall of Emirates. We did a quick kind of scope of the mall.
Saw the ski field.
Yeah, saw the ski field, and now we are on to, well, we're going to go catch the metro to Dubai Mall. She's on her way to Dubai Mall today. So, as we got to Dubai Mall, we decided to come to the cinema to see I Feel Pretty instead of going looking around the mall first. So we're gonna go do that. If that makes any sense. Look at the popcorn we got. Dee's ordered.
Yeah, I think we'll be right.
That's lunch sorted. So currently in Dubai Mall, and this is one of the many attractions that it has. This is an ice skating rink and like a kid zone. How cool is that? Amazing.
And here we are at the diving sculptures of the Dubai Mall.
Fun introduction from humanitarian blogger Dee Kaitel. But indeed, Dee, we are at the waterfall of the Dubai Mall. And now our adventures continue. Look at this. What mall in the world has an aquarium inside their mall? This is crazy. Look at the shark up there. Oh my god. This is amazing.
Under the sea, darling, it's better down where it's wetter. Take it from me. Up on the shore, they work all day. Out in the sun, they slave away. While we devoting full time to floating under the sea.
Hi guys. Hello. Hi guys. Hi everyone. Hi. Do you like this place, Dee?
Yeah, this is
Incredible, hey? We both agree that that place is amazing, but we also both agree that you could probably spend hours doing voiceovers for the fish. So we're currently in H&M deciding whether we should buy these little bandana things. Do you think they're okay? They just don't stay on our heads. They're really hard. Yours looks good, I like it.
Until I go like this.
Next minute. And the final stop on our Dubai mall tour, the Burj Khalifa. I don't even know if you can see the top, it's so high. It's beautiful. Dining with D in Dubai. Thank you, sir. Oh, yummy. Thank you.
When you double park.
And we got free pudding. How good is that for dinner? Lebanese
pudding.
You do the first try, is it good?
Oh, okay, hold on.
Thumbs up?
I like it. I couldn't eat the whole thing, but I like it.
First day in Dubai. I hope you have all enjoyed it as much as we have enjoyed it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's a few things to get done on the first day. We've done pretty well. I can't believe Dee, she's pushing on.
It's like
jet lag is not stopping her.
2 a.m. in Brisbane now or something.
So she should be sleeping, but
so how many hours have been awake? Like 18 or something? I don't know.
Long time. Yeah, a long time.
Yeah.
Too long, but it's bedtime now for us, so we'll sign out here. Oh, wait,
time for face masks.
Oh yeah.
And then bed.
Time for face masks, then bed. But we'll probably check out now because we'll probably forget to say goodnight. So good night for now, and we'll see you maybe tomorrow. We're going to brunch tomorrow, so maybe tomorrow. If
maybe
not, the next day.
What about getting ready tomorrow?
Oh yeah, getting ready tomorrow. Actually, yes, getting ready tomorrow. We'll do that. Okay, talk to you soon. Good night for day one.
What? You don't look like this? No?
Do the stingray voice.
Oh god.
The next day.
Good morning and welcome back to Tiera and Dee's channel. We're just going to get ready now with our makeup. Dee, what kind of products are you using today?
Well, today for my foundation, we have this MAC Studio Fix Fluid. It may be a little bit dark for me because I forgot my foundation. So I'll be mixing it with the CVS version BB cream.
Wow, what a combination we have there. We'll report back soon to tell you how our foundation goes. And here we are, about 3 hours later, but ready, finally.
No more Minnie Mouse ears.
No more Minnie Mouse ears, and our makeup tutorial, well, we skipped a little bit, and this is the end product.
Yeah, this is just foundation. I woke up like this.
Same. Okay, we'll see you at the end of brunch maybe, or tomorrow morning, depending, because I think it's going to be quite a long day.
We'll see.
Bye!
Bye!
Something about the way you move